BiBi helps the bus. It is a big day for the city transport company. 10 brand new buses came in today. Finally, some of the old ones can get some rest. Those of them who can still work can start doing commuter routes. Although it seems like not everyone is happy with the new set of rules. Come over, they should help you out here.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Good evening. What happened? Can I help you somehow?
And the boss told BiBi that he is retired now. He feels sad because the new bosses took his job.
That is sad.
He doesn't know how to not do anything. The boss feels like he should be working. He doesn't want to be bored all the time and get rusty.
Oh. Yeah. What a story. Wait a minute. I'll figure it out. Well. The old bus. Eureka! I got it! I think you can do themed travel tours around town. We'll make you a retro bus. You'll be showing people places and telling stories. I'm sure everybody will love that. So, are you agree? First of all, we should change your color and get some varnish on ya. You look as good as new. Let's see which one's better.
What about this one?
Nope. That's too simple.
What about this color?
Well, okay.
Red?
Exactly what we need. You look awesome. Now let me polish you real quick. Something still's not right. That's right. You need new wheels, buddy. Okay.
Shall we?
Nope. That's too simple.
What about these?
Cool. That's not retro style.
These should be fine.
That's right. I think that's just a ticket. Now let me just clean you up inside. All done.
The bus was very happy. He couldn't find the right words to thank BiBi for what he did. He looked awesome. He felt cool too.
I'm very pleased to help you. Hope you'll show me the town one day. Good luck!
It was a brand new chapter in the life of our friend Bus. And it all thanks to BiBi. Now his route is the most popular route in town. And of course, the bus showed BiBi some respect by showing him all the beautiful sights and places.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. press like and let's have fun!
Pirate treasure. One day, BiBi went fishing, but he didn't catch any fish.
Oh, I got something! Hey! Oh, what's that? That's cool!
Wow, look, Bibs. I think you just caught a real treasure map.
Awesome! I always wanted to go treasure hunting! Hurry up, you guys! It's adventure time!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair, and all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi took a closer look at the map he caught, and it turned out that it leads to a sunken pirate ship. Did you guys know that the first pirates appeared in ancient Greece? They used to rob ships and even small towns. Pirates exist till this day.
Let's see. We've passed the Bermuda Triangle, Mariana Trench too. Looks like we're almost there. Hooray! We found it! A real pirate ship.
Watch out, Bibs. There's a shark.
Whoa-oh! Let's hide!
Phew, that was close. That shark must be guarding the ship. Now how do we get to it?
We must distract the shark somehow. Then we can get to the ship. I know! Sharks like chasing smaller fish. Let's baffle it with this little RC robo-fish. I need your help, guys. We must find a battery to turn on the robo-fish. Come on, it's gonna be fun.
What should we choose? How about a candy?
A candy? I don't think so. We can still eat it later, though. I'm sure it's yummy.
What about a pencil?
The pencil isn't a battery. It won't make the fish move. Yay! That's the battery. The robo-fish can swim now.
Take that, evil shark. Maybe now you won't be so evil. Our ship is way too big. It can't get inside. BiBi will have to use the diving suit. Let's help BiBi put on the suit, you guys. This is a hockey mask. It's no good for diving. This is a welder's mask. We can't use it. Yep, that's what we need. Now BiBi can swim underwater. There's a treasure here somewhere. Check out those barrels, Beebs. Nope, nothing there. Maybe it's hidden in the cannon. Where did those pirates put the treasure? BiBi, look! That octopus is slipping in some kind of hole. We should check it out. Hooray! We found the treasure! Hey BiBi, we're almost run out of oxygen. We must get back to the ship. Thanks to you guys, BiBi managed to find the sunken pirate ship, baffled the evil shark, and found the missing treasure. What a great day!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi and the Sneezing Bus. This is Bus. He has a special mission. He takes people where they want to go, from point A to point B. He must do it carefully to keep people safe. He must come on time. And that's why he should always be as good as new. But anything can happen, and when something happens, passengers can get stuck and be late. Whoa! Looks like our bus caught a sneeze. What should we do? I know! Let's go to BiBi!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey, pal. Uh-oh. You don't look very well. You look pasty. Are you alright?
And the bus told BiBi how all of a sudden he started to sneeze. He said how hard it was to get here and that he thought he would never make it.
Yep, you got yourself in some trouble, pal. Passengers must have been furious. Okay, let's see what's the trouble. You look fine. Just a little muddy. Let's hook you up to a computer and see how you're doing. I see. Fuel consumption increase. Engine overheat. Low power. Aha! I think I know what's wrong. Your air filter is clogged. It means that your engine doesn't get enough air. That's why it knocks and makes you sneeze. We must get you a new one. Alright, let's get our bus a new filter.
Will this one fit?
Oh no, this is a water filter.
How about this filter? It filters air.
Yeah, but this is a hoover filter. The bus is not a hoover.
What about this?
Whoa, this is just what we need. Let's fix it. Wow, there we go. Come on, old pal, let's try it. Great. I'm sure you feel much better. Your engine has some real proper cooling now. Just remember to check yourself every once in a while. By the way, I did an oil check and noticed that you will soon need a change. Hey, wait a minute. What's this? Your rear mirror is broken. It's bad luck. It can lead to a traffic accident. We should get you a new mirror at once.
Hey, how'd you like your new mirror? Now you can see all the things that happen in the back. By the way, in the old days, drivers used to have little pocket mirrors.
Cars Cars back then were very rare, and the pocket mirrors were loud. These days, using a pocket mirror would be dangerous, because there are much more cars.
How about this one? It has a mirror.
No, it's a periscope. They put them on submarines. Her bus doesn't need one.
How about this?
This is just what we need. Alright, all done. You can get going now. I'm sure you can still be on time.
Thanks to BiBi, the bus was back on the road and he was right on time. All the people were safe and the bus was happy he's on the schedule. Now he knows how important it is to do things on time. And BiBi's always there to help his friends and those in trouble. Thanks, BiBi!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.